Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can frame your artwork yourself. You need not go to the frame shop, have a waiting time, and then go through all those hassles. You just can do it all by yourself. Let me show you how. This is an artwork which I made in a sketchbook paper of 170 GSM, and the measurement is this is 12 inches and 12 inches here. A square shaped painting is what I have done. Now I'm going to show you how to frame this. Here is the ready-made frame which I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to remove this protective cover first. The point is, whenever you do something with it, please do it slowly. This is how it generally looks. I'm going to show you the back side of this frame. You just need to lift this hook a little bit. Right now, all these are small hooks which they have put. You need to lift them up so that you can remove all the layers and keep your painting. I'll show you now. You need to turn these small hooks upwards like this. Make sure you give your support this side so that as you move, it doesn't move. Move them totally upwards. So do this for all the four sides. I have done it for one side. Now I'm going to do it for the second side. Now in all the four sides, I have moved those small hooks upwards. Now I have to remove all these layers. So first, I'm going to remove this MDF board which is kept at the back. And this is not a glass, this is an acrylic sheet which is flexible. So there is a protective layer here. You just have to remove that protective layer. So this is the layer that was protected with a thin sheet of paper. So now you need to keep this like this. So once this is done, you need to keep your painting now. So here is the artwork. Keep it upside down. Right? So once you have kept your painting, you can keep this as well. Once this is done, now this MDF board. There may be some small hiccups when you keep the MDF board, but be careful. You don't have to be too hard. So once it settles down, now you can use the same knife and put these small hooks back in place so that the MDF board is not going to move. And now, since the painting, artwork, everything is kept, you have to be really gentle in putting these small hooks back. So once this is done, your painting is ready to hang. Now there is a protective layer for the frame as well. You can remove that. See, your painting is ready for gifting or hanging. Thank you all for watching this video, and if at all you need any more details, please do comment and I'll respond.